The Elementi Lunar Bowl outdoor fire pit table is a stunning addition to any outdoor space, offering a perfect blend of functionality, style, and safety. The high-performance cast concrete fire pit table not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your patio, deck, or backyard, but also brings the warmth and charm of dancing flames to your outdoor gatherings or relaxing evenings. One of the standout features of this gas fire bowl is its stylish and sturdy design, ensuring both durability and safety. The cozy atmosphere it creates is perfect for chilly nights, making it an ideal outdoor heating solution. With the convenience of a natural gas fire pit table, you can enjoy the beauty of the outdoors throughout the year. The specifications of the Elementi Lunar Bowl are impressive, with dimensions of L42 x W42 x H 16 inches and a weight of 143 pounds. The 45,000 BTUs output, electronic ignition, CSA and CE certification, and auto safety shut-off make it a high-performance and reliable choice. The burner pan, made of 16-gauge 304 stainless steel, measures L23.7 x W23.7 inches, while the burner itself is 12 inches. Included in the package are 26.4 pounds of lava rocks and a canvas cover to protect the fire pit when not in use, showcasing the manufacturer's commitment to superior durability. It's worth noting that additional accessories are available separately for those looking to further enhance their outdoor fire pit experience. The Elementi Lunar Bowl outdoor fire pit table stands out as a premium outdoor fire pit, combining functionality, style, and safety seamlessly. Elevate your outdoor entertainment with this well-crafted and visually appealing concrete fire pit, perfect for gatherings and enhancing the ambience of your patio or backyard.